In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore missing file tabs in Autocad. If you've ever found yourself working with multiple files in Autocad, you know how handy file tabs are. They allow you to easily see and switch between your open files, helping to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. However, sometimes these file tabs can mysteriously disappear, leaving you with an extra bit of frustration. But don't worry, restoring them is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it, step by step. Let's start by accessing the tools you need. The first thing you want to do is bring up the command line in Autocad. This is where you'll type in commands to navigate through different options and settings. So go ahead and type OP in that command line. Typing OP is a shortcut for options, which is what we need to adjust the display settings in Autocad. Once you've typed OP, hit the Enter key. This will bring up the Options dialog box, a hub of settings and customizations for Autocad. Keep in mind, the interface might look a bit overwhelming at first if you're not used to it, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. In the Options dialog box, you'll see various tabs, each corresponding to different settings categories. Focus your attention on the tab labeled Display, because that's where we'll make the necessary changes to bring back your file tabs. Inside the Display tab, you're going to look for an option titled Display File Tabs. This option essentially toggles the file tabs on and off. If your file tabs are missing, it's likely that this checkbox is currently unchecked. So your next move is to click on the checkbox next to Display File Tabs to ensure it's checked. This simple action tells Autocad that you want to have those file tabs available for viewing. After checking the box, it's time to apply the change. Look for the Apply button. It's generally at the bottom of the Options dialog box. Give that button a click to ensure the setting is activated. Now, let's wrap things up by clicking OK to close the Options dialog box, which will also save your new settings. Once you've done this, you should immediately notice that your file tabs have reappeared at the top of your Autocad window, right where they belong. And there you have it. Your file tabs are back, making it easier to manage multiple drawings and switch between projects smoothly in Autocad.